What's going on, family? We're the Grease Mike. And what we got right here is, of course, the 74 Blazer named Dreamsicle, right? So our most recent SEMA crunch, the most recent update I can give y'all is we got the front drive installed like 90%. I'm still waiting on the power steering pump, but that's it. So we got a Holley mid mount set up. They partner with ProCharger because we got all of this from ProCharger. But this is actually a Holley mid mount kit with a couple extra adapters on it. And then we got a D1X from ProCharger, courtesy of ProCharger. So don't mind the intake. That's for my motor, for the 52. But we can go ahead and shout out Tick Performance and Holley Performance. It's Holley High Ram, Tick Performance, 1800 horsepower intercooler. Let's see what else we got installed. So the headers, ultimate headers. These headers are made for this motor in this chassis. So huge shout out to Ultimate Headers on speeding those up for us. So moving on, the next biggest achievement that we got, we got our Rich tank back. So huge shout out to Rich Tanks. But we originally got this tank, we got it made for this Blazer on this chassis. And right here was just at a 90-degree angle. So we called them up, told them it didn't fit. They told me to mark it where I needed it to be modified at, and they was gonna, fix it right. So I marked it, sent it back to them. Well, they sent me a label, get it back to them. They fixed it within a week and got it back to where it fit perfect now. And then I had them to cut this little flange off, like this flange right here, went all the way to the end. But it stuck out a little bit past our frame. So we got them shade it down. So yeah. And then we got a dual 450 Holley pump that's going in. So that pump should support way more power than what this is gonna make. But, for reliability's sake, it's better to overbuild than underbuild. All right, so lastly, what we've been working on all day today is putting this motor together. So it's gonna be, well, I'm gonna put this head on before I go home tonight. But as you can see, we got BTR. These are their forged, it's a drop-in kit that is kind of like an off-the-shelf kit, but it's a drop-in piston and rod combo. So you got the piston, and then you got the H-beam rods. You got the stage 3 PDS blower cam from BTR as well. We got LS7 lifters, and then we got BTR's train upgrade that's going on to the rocker arms. Yeah. Oh, and then on this motor here, I'm running port injection. So with that being said, I'm deleting the direct injectors and the direct injector fuel pump push rod, or technically it's the lifter. But yeah, so courtesy of ICT Billet, we got the block off plugs for the direct injectors and for the push rod. Well, it's technically a lifter for the fuel pump, but yeah, all this getting blocked off. And we're running 120 pound per hour fuel injectors, courtesy of Holley. So huge shout out to Holley Performance and BTR along with ICT. So yeah, that's our most current SEMA crunch update for right now. So hey, y'all continue to like, share, and subscribe and follow along with this build process.